Did you know that over 70% of YouTube views come from AI recommendations? That means what you watch is heavily influenced by artificial intelligence. It's fascinating and a bit creepy, right? Hey everyone! Did you know that AI is taking over YouTube faster than you can say algorithm? Seriously. With machines now creating content, you have to ask yourself, how do you feel about letting robots shine in the spotlight? Is it cool or a bit creepy? But don't worry, it still can't figure out how to skip ads. Let's dive into this. So, today we're talking about a topic that's really buzzing. AI and its growing role in shaping what we see on YouTube. It's a big deal because it affects not only the content we consume, but also the creators behind it. AI is everywhere now. It's like that one friend who always shows up uninvited. Let's break down why this is a conversation we all need to be part of. Now let's break this down into some structured points. First off, there are some serious benefits to using AI in content creation. For one, it can help creators churn out videos faster and more efficiently. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. But then there's the flip side, the potential downsides. Some folks worry that too much reliance on AI could lead to a lack of authenticity in content. And let's not forget the implications for actual human creators. Are they at risk of being replaced by machines? But hey, at least it won't complain about working overtime. It's a fascinating and complex topic. Let's dive into some real examples. AI tools like ChatGPT are already scripting videos, and tools like DAZ 3D can create stunning visuals without human intervention. But wait, there's more. Have you seen channels that publish entirely AI-generated videos? They're racking up views like crazy. In fact, some studies suggest that AI-generated content can have higher viewer engagement. That's right, people love it. It's almost like they don't care if a human wrote it or not. Just don't ask AI to understand your sarcasm. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some valid counter-arguments to consider. Many people are concerned about the authenticity of AI-generated content. Can a robot really capture human emotion? And what about creativity? Some believe that the unique touch a human creator brings is irreplaceable. Plus, there's the fear that human creators might struggle to compete in an AI-driven landscape. But let's be honest, it's still better than dealing with customer service. So, where do we stand on AI's role in YouTube? It's a game changer, no doubt about it. But it's crucial for both viewers and creators to understand what this shift means. We're at a crossroads, and how we navigate this new terrain will shape the future of content creation. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI taking over YouTube? Is it exciting or concerning? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. AI is here to stay. So let's embrace it, just like we embraced autocorrect, eventually. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.